Hey, good morning, everybody. I wanted to pop on today. We're going to continue talking about the winter protection kit. And so yesterday we talked a little bit about an exclusive oil, Manuka, that you can't buy right now in the US market, but you can earn that free with that kit, right? That's in the bundle of the winter protection kit. So today we're going to talk a little bit about Copaiba and why that is so amazing and why you need that oil for this time of year, and why it's in the winter protection kit. It's going to make a lot more sense. So let me give you some background about Copaiba essential oil. It is derived from the resin of the Copaiba tree, and that tree can grow up to more than 100 feet in the South America tropical Amazon rainforest. And it's widely used in cosmetics, oftentimes in soaps, creams, lotions, and perfumes. Now, since the 16th century, Copaiba essential oil has been utilized in traditional health practices by the natives that live in those areas in the north and northeast of Brazil. Now, it's chemically speaking, it's very similar to the pepper essential oil. So it's going to soothe anxious feelings. It's going to help when you apply it to the skin. It's going to help promote a clear and smooth complexion. Copaiba, you can actually take it internally, and it will support that cardiovascular, to support your immune system, your digestive, and even your nervous system. It can help with healthy inflammation response, right? So if we have lots of inflammation in our bodies and it's not working correctly, hey, start using your Copaiba. That's going to be great in that one. Now, you can actually add it to a couple drops for a mouthwash. It's really good for oral health, for soothing gums and cavities. So if you do have some sensitivity, you can use your clove, but talk about using also your Copaiba. Now, Copaiba does not contain the photoactive cannabinoids that is in like some of the other products that you're seeing on the markets right now, but it does have the main component, beta carotene, and that actually helps the neuroprotective part of your body. And so it helps with cardiovascular, it helps with the immune system when you take it internally. So it's a powerful antioxidant. So it's one of the reasons we have it in this winter protection, right? We're going to help our immune system. We're going to help our heart health. We're going to help with inflammation in the body, any discomfort. Right now it's rainy and cold in Georgia, and I can guarantee you, I woke up this morning and I had some aches in my joints. I had some discomfort because of the weather and the change in the pressure. And Copaiba is one of those amazing oils that's going to help with that. And so in the winter, it's cold, you tend to be a little bit more achy. This is a great oil for that one. So it's not going to mess up with your it's going to do the same thing as cannabis, okay? But it's not going to mess with your brain, right? It's only going to connect with the right type of receptors in the endocannabinoid system. So that is the system that signals and regulates your enzymes, the production of hormones, and those cannabinoid receptors also go to all the major body parts and the organs. So when we talk about overall health and helping the entire body, Copaiba does that. It is an amazing thing. It's going to deal with multiple signaling pathways to promote healthy liver, digestive, kidney, heart, and brain function. And it's really great in overall well-being. So this is one of the reasons why it is in that winter protection kit. Now, some really interesting ways that you can use it, if you haven't already gotten some of it for my, I'm gonna get my notes out real quick because I did want to give you some realistic practices on your Copaiba. So again, it really helps soothe your skin, so you can actually add it to your lotions and your toners. It's going to help with blemishes, so you can apply it directly on the skin or add it to your moisturizer. That's very, very soothing. Copaiba actually blends really well with oils like Roman chamomile, cedarwood, sandalwood, frankincense, and ylang-ylang. So these are great to make your own perfumes. Okay, so get a roller ball out, get a couple of those oils. I know frankincense and ylang-ylang smell amazing, so adding the additional copaiba, you'll have the additional benefits with that, and then fill the rest up with fractionated coconut oil. Now, because most of the body can benefit from copaiba, it's really great to take it internally. So 1 to 2 drops in your water, in a juice. You can make a tea with a little bit of water and honey, and then drink it. You can also do it in a veggie cap. They do have copaiba in soft gels already. That's actually the way that I take it the most internally. I like to use it after my workouts. So when I know that I've done a really hard workout and I know I'm going to be sore, part of that soreness comes from the muscles tearing and the inflammation that comes as the muscle gets strengthened. And so there's inflammation in the body. So I will take the copaiba. I've also used the copaiba with the deep blue polyphenol capsules when I've had a headache. So when I've had head tension, this is a really good oil to use. So think about that. You can still use it with the oil too. You can put it on topically. You can take it internally for those times where you have physical aches and pains, that kind of thing. We have a stressful day. Copaiba, again, really soothing, relaxing. It's got that woody scent on there. It's going to calm anxious feelings. So that's a really, really good grounding oil that you can use. And then again, antioxidants, you can take it internally to help with the substance that stops, the potential damage of your cells through oxidation. So it's a high antioxidant, so that's going to do that in the body. So again, winter months, we're trying to stay healthy. Using copaiba on a regular basis during these months can really help your body fight what's going on around there. And then also in your bath, it's great. It's going to help you relax. Put it with some Epsom salts and do that as well. So with that, I think that's all I'm going to talk to you about copaiba. I think it is no surprise at all why it is in that particular kit. And again, this kit is only available this month until it sells out. So if you get this kit, you're going to be prepared. In addition to all the amazing On Guard products that you could possibly get this month, you're going to have an arsenal of stuff to keep your family healthy throughout the winter season, as we are in the height of illness and the stuff that's all going around. So with that, tomorrow I'm going to talk a little bit about rosemary. So rosemary is in that kit, why it's such an amazing thing for memory and respiratory. Okay, those are my little teasers. You're going to want to tune in for that next week. All right, take care, my friends, and we will see you tomorrow.